Let's start the video. I'll first show you in Brave and then in Chrome. So first open the Brave browser. Here, for example, I have Amazon here and I want to add Amazon to my home page. You can see the three lines on the top right corner. Click on it and here scroll down until you find save and share. Here you can see install pages app. Click on it and here you can go on install this and there you go. Amazon is added to your home page and I'll show you in Chrome as well. Open the Chrome browser. Here go on any website. For now I'll go on Flipkart. Here on the three lines on the top right corner, click on it and here go on cast, save and share. Here also go on install pages app, click on it and go on install. And after that close this section and there you go. Flipkart is added to your home page. There you go. This was it for the video, and if you like the video please hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.